The Queen's Counsel says he was incensed over a letter that was sent to him on Friday afternoon by attorney Peter Foster. Kenneth Monplaisir says that missive has been sent all over St. Lucia, the region and the world. It was for this reason this scuffle happened. The Queen's Counsel assaulting HTS photojournalist Andrew Mondesir. Monplaisir apologized for his action mere hours after it happened. Before, it was a number of frantic conferences between himself and other attorneys and a request from a police officer of Mondesir to see if he wanted to press charges. Monplaisir also spoke candidly about what precipitated his behavior, one of the conditions for avoiding a legal case.
I have always been reputed to have a bad temper, and while I grew older, it's a lot more controlled. But because of my integrity in my profession being attacked, I was really incensed. And so when the camera, I moved up to go out, and when one of the cameras, I pushed the camera aside, and there was a little scuffle. And I want to apologize to the gentleman for that. I'm very sorry about that. It was not against him, not against the press, but against the consequences of which caused the press to come to that situation to be able to investigate.
Monplaisir is the lead attorney representing the government in the Richard Frederick matter. It was the reason he appeared before Justice Georges on Monday morning. The judge wanted an explanation for the consent order Monplaisir gave, then rescinded, and then gave again in relation to the release of 3 vehicles in the case.
I came to the conclusion that it could have been done because I investigated what was alleged to be the misdeeds which could prevent me from having a consent order. That having been satisfied that that was so, I asked the judge to reinstate the consent order. In fact, this is why the judge called us up, because it was consent order, withdrawal, and saying abandonment of the withdrawal, and give us an opportunity to explain.
Monplaisir says he takes strong objection to the attack of his integrity in the matter. Our cameras went to the housing minister's residence on Friday, and the shot of his garage revealed that one of the vehicles in question was not where it was legally supposed to be. Additionally, Peter Foster, the junior counsel in the matter, withdrew from the case on Friday in a letter Monplaisir says has been bandied around. In it, Foster says he does not want to be party to the consent order still defended by the QC. Despite that, Monplaisir says he is satisfied that granting consent to release the vehicles, 2 belonging to the minister, the other to his brother, is above reproach.
I take strong objections to that letter, which had serious consequences against my profession and trying to subvert the course of justice.
The matter, though called up on Monday, remains unresolved. Carmi Joseph, HTS News, Channel 4.